Hello everyone, I'm Jeongwoo Choi, and in this video I will be teaching you how to make your own model food truck. This can be used as a toy, a project, and many more. You will just need a pencil, 4 or more 1/3 graph papers, crayons or colored pencils, a scissor, regular and double-sided tape, 4 Lego gears or tires, and some thin straws. Now let's get started! So the first step is to draw all the nets for all the objects and cut them out. This is the net of the food truck. Go ahead and draw it on your graph paper. Now, just cut the net out. I will show you the nets for the other objects in just a second. Once you have drawn them, cut them out too. Now that you have cut out all of the nets, it's time to design and color them. For the food truck, flip over your net and design it however you want, as long as it has a title and you don't color it on the graph paper side. Same rules apply to the front of the food truck and the roof, except the title rule. For all the insides, I will show you how to color them in just a second. Just don't color them on the graph paper side. It's now time for the final step, which is assembly. For the food truck, lift up all of the sides and tape them all together, like this. For the front of the food truck and all of the insides, fold up all of the sides including the roof and tape them together. Now, just put double-sided tape on the side you didn't color, and now attach the piece to the food truck. Now, just repeat the process for the rest of the things. For the roof, put some double-sided tape onto the tab and tape it onto one side of the food truck. For the tires, pierce a thin straw through 2 Lego tires and tape the straw onto the food truck. You can also cut a hole in the side of the food truck for serving. You did it! You made your own food truck! Thanks for watching!